ladies and gentlemen. Holy crap. I'm so excited to open these wheels, dude. Boys, we got new wheels right here. We got, God, dude, I'm so excited. I don't even know what to say. I have not opened them yet. I literally just got home. What? I'm gonna video you, noob. Ignore the fit. But I just got home. I have not opened these up. God, I'm so excited. If you guys watched the last video of me cameraing this thing, which I have not slotted the struts yet. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. No, I opened it upside down. Okay, I'm an idiot. I opened it upside down. I had a feeling. Oh my god. These barrels are a little stinky. Massive. Hold on. Oh my god, dude. I'm pretty sure these are the rears. These look like 11 and a half. I don't know. I'm gonna take measure. I'm gonna look real quick. Yep. 11 and a half. I can't, dude. These look good. I think these are gonna look really good on this car. I'll tell you. Big reveal round 2 for the front. God, dude. Oh my god, these lips are massive. 4.5-inch lips and 5-inch lips. Oh. I hope I can fit those. Roughly 10.5. So yeah, 10.5 and 11.5. These are massive. This one had like a little sticker inside of it. So I'm curious what the specs were before. Yeah, so whoever rebuilt these previously, which I don't know if it's the guy I bought them from who rebuilt them previously or what, but 19 by 8.5, and I can't see the... I might air this monkey up real quick and test fit, but I'm gonna have to change my fit though. Yeah, I'm not trying to mess up the fit. All right, I'm actually so scared these are not gonna fit, dude. Like, just because the caliper, look how big my calipers are. Ooh, they might clear. There's a little bit of a space back here. We'll see. It's definitely gonna hit this up in here. I'm scared. But it's okay. I bought these knowing that I might have to rebuild them. That I am going to have to rebuild them. Because it's the only set of 19-inch strussy, I don't know. This is the only set of 19s that I could find that were decent spec for a decent price. They were expensive, but here's the thing. I could have got, for the same price, I could have gotten a super weak spec set, and the faces and stuff were just absolutely trashed. Lips are brand new. These don't even look like they've ever been mounted on, which is good. So already hitting something. What am I hitting? Oh, I'm hitting my, yep, hitting the thing back here. Look at that. We're hitting this. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me get a flashlight. It's honestly, it's not near as bad. Holy. Okay. So it looks to be, it is definitely hitting this. Oh, it's definitely hitting this. You guys can see here. Hitting this collar, but these barrels are huge, so I'm gonna have to go down at least probably two inches maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna clear these by clear as day. And look at this, it's not even poking that much. Oh! And I'm planning to do more on the front, so these are actually gonna fit really well. Oh my god, dude. Let me throw the 5mm on, see if I can clear anything, see what happens. With a 5mm, it does clear my brakes, clear as day. Look at that, we got plenty of space in there. Plenty of space. It is obviously not... It is hitting this pretty good, so unfortunately can't run these barrels, but I knew getting into this that I couldn't. Alrighty guys, so it's a few days after that last clip, I think, of me unboxing the wheels, I think was the last thing. But yeah, boys, it is time to rebuild these Johnnies, dude. Because obviously they're way too big. I test fitted them. The fronts hit the struts, the rears hit the body of the car. So I have new barrels coming. I ordered them a couple days ago. They haven't shipped yet, and they're not here yet. But there are some things I can do. I do need to take these apart, break the seal, take all the bolts out. I already did this one because I had to take the barrel off in order to test fit the fronts, so I could do the, figure out how much I can slot my struts, which I did do that, and I'm gonna show you guys that in a second. So we'll just take them apart for today, and then whenever I get my barrels in, I'm gonna put them back together, the new barrels, and then seal them. As you guys have seen the title, I don't know what I'm doing. I've rebuilt 3-piece wheels once for the Infinity. I didn't film that, but they seem to hold pretty good and everything works. So I'm just gonna do the same thing I did on these. Here are my highlights if you guys missed it in the last video. A lot of you guys wanted a more, I guess, in-depth little two of them all. So I have them kind of sorted. I tried to keep them sorted, but at this point I just kind of messed up. But I've got all these cars in these like packs that are supposed to be in, like the sets, I guess. Just some random license plate frames I got. So these are like the premium sets that I have here. All these premium sets. Got the trailers and like trucks all along here, and then the dual ones up here, the two cars, more sets. My birthday was like last week. I just haven't taken these down. Anyways, we got some over here behind the door. These are all just the normal ones. I try to kind of sort them by like car. See, these are like Lamborghinis, Paganis, McLarens, Porsches right here, and then just random the ones. And we got some of these. Also do this. Look at this. I got an E36 for the BMW keys. I got an Infinity for the Infinity keys and a Genesis for the Genesis keys. I thought that was pretty cool. These are just the normals. This is all like Nissan, Mazda. Can't really see some of these back here, but that's all that. And then I got my premiums over here. Got my premiums over here, or the RLC club ones, which is pretty cool. And these are just random little ones. All right, so you guys are on my head now. I got a freaking hat on with my GoPro on here. So I've got the wheel upside down. I've got some stuff here. First thing I'm gonna do, you have to break the seal. I hope you guys can see this, but I have to break this seal in order to get this, because it's three-piece. Got the lip, the barrel, and then the face. But the face is held in with these bolts here. There's a head set on this side. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this a little hard with one person, I'll say that, but I'm gonna take my impact here and make sure that's on there. Good, there we go, and then just, that's the wrong way. There we go. It's just like that. First bolt is out. Then I can carefully take the bottom one out and boom. I did the front tilt. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Let me take my hat off here. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. It's about -8 in the front and then also -8 in the back. But look at that. I'm sure you guys can tell. I slotted the struts. Didn't record a video on that because I'm just sitting there cutting. But I finally slotted the struts. You guys can see from the top too. Look at that. Okay. Now it's on it. There we go, just like that. This is probably the better way of getting this off. I'm just gonna do it from the front. There we go, out. Might just time lapse. This is like a tedious part, pretty easy though. Some of the threads are kind of messed up. I noticed that on the last ones. All right, L camera, it died, but I now have this off. I got the seal broke, but it's not gonna come out. If it does, I'm screwed, but yeah, it shouldn't come out. Like I should just be able to kind of like, now I'm gonna separate these. Usually stick a flathead in here. Yeah, these bolts are gonna save my life right now. These bolts are gonna save my life. This face better not freaking just fall out. Should just be able to hammer this. I have to cut some more out of this. Sometimes you just gotta really dig it in, I think. Here. Spin it. Here we go, here. There we go. Okay. Oh, yes. All right, this is a beautiful face and the lips, which I'm gonna have to clean. I'm gonna have to clean all this stuff. So it's a good surface to mate to on the new ones. The new barrels. Now time for the other two, which probably not gonna record that because it's literally the same thing. Okay, got all the bolts out. Took me like 2 seconds. So now, get to the fun part. Kidding, I don't really like this part. Okay, fresh blade. So this should be pretty light. Just freaking. Hey. And this, I'm probably gonna do this on the, nah, whatever. Just do it right here, I'll just, that's not the smartest idea, is it? Hammer it. Can I wedge it? Oh yeah, look at that, light. So we got one on that side, and I'm gonna hit it with this side. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Woohoo! Light work. Okay, so separated. That was actually really easy. So that's good. Next, clean the lips off, which I've got wire brushes here somewhere. This is the freaking detail closet, cabinet, whatever. Oh, here we go, back here. Should be able to use like this, or this, or one of these. Yeah, rebuilding 3-piece wheels is super easy. Literally just, it's like Legos, but like for adults, you know what I mean? Literally just take some bolts out, separate the seal, boom, new lip, new face, and then reverse order. Man. All right, I'm gonna keep it a buck. Give me 1 second here. If you guys will just give me a second. Y'all already know the deal. We got the and we got the There we go. Oh. There we go. Nice. Okay. Gonna carefully take the face off. I'm gonna just put it here. Maybe not. So now, okay, thanks. I'm gonna take these. In theory, this should work. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, look at that. Try it the other way. Look at that. It's working great. I just gotta make sure to get all of this off. Like we need it just clean like this. It is kind of scratching it a little bit, but it's not like deep scratches and it's not bad. So it should be okay. Freaking GoPro battery dead yet again. These freaking stupid Amazon batteries are not lasting me long, but I got the wheel clean. Look at that. It is kind of scratched a little bit, you guys can see, but I mean, it's not super deep scratches and nobody's gonna see this anyway. So let me get in the light. Yeah, see kind of like this a little bit. And this is a little scratch too, probably for me trying to cut it open. But I mean, you're not gonna see this and it's not too deep where it's gonna like let air in or prevent it or anything. And if you really want to, I could just sand this. That is that. Now I gotta do that. I gotta do it 2 more times and they'll be done. And then after that, wait for my barrels and then reverse the order, bolt, seal, and we're good. So yeah, I'm gonna get to these freaking buttons.